show you the 2018 Cooper. Agile handling and quick, precise steering make the Mini Cooper lots of fun to drive. The cabin is roomy with plenty of front legroom and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: panoramic moonroof, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, rain sensing wipers, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering, tachometer. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.